Hello guys, today I'm going to solve number 5 Euler equation. These equations are similar to what we have seen with constant coefficients, but they have simple variation of coefficients. So the typical equation looks like this. A multiply x squared y double prime plus bx y prime plus cy equals to 0. So let's begin to solve the problem. Now let y equals to x to the power of r, and then y prime will be r multiply x to the power of r minus 1, and then y double prime will be r multiply r minus 1 multiply x to the power of r minus 2, and then x is greater than 0. So this is a non-homogeneous equation. So we need to solve it as two parts, y homogeneous and y particular. So I'm gonna make it a homogeneous equation. So it's gonna be like this, 0. So let's plug it into this homogeneous equation. So it will be r minus 1 x to the power of r plus r minus 2 multiply x squared minus 2x multiply r multiply x to the power of r minus 1 minus 4x 0. And then let's calculate. So it's gonna be r minus 1 minus 2r minus 4 multiply x to the power of 4, x to the power of r equals to 0. So this will be r squared minus 3r minus 4. So let's calculate the roots. So x to the power of r can't be 0. So this part will be 0. We can make it to describe like this. We can describe like r minus 4 multiply r plus 1 to 0. So r will be 4 or minus 1. Oops. And then in this case, we have two real district roots. And then so we have two y. y1 will be x to the power of r1, and y2 will be x to the power of r2. r1 doesn't equals to r2. So r1 will be x to the power of 4, and y2 will be x to the power of minus 1. And homogeneous, y homogeneous will be c1y1 plus c2y2. That is c1 x to the power of 4 plus c2 x to the power of minus 1. So this is the homogeneous, y homogeneous. And then next step, we're gonna solve y particular. So based on the equation right here, let y particular be a x squared. So we know y particular prime will be 2ax, and then y particular double prime will be 2a. And then plug into the equation, it will be 2ax squared minus 2ax multiply 2x minus 4a x squared equals to 5x squared. And then let's calculate. So it's gonna be minus 6x squared equals to 5x squared. So minus 6a is 5. A is 5 on 6. 5 over 6. And then y particular will be minus 5 over 6 x squared. So y will be y homogeneous plus y particular, that is c1 x to the power of 4 plus c2 x to the power of minus 1 minus 5 on 6 x squared. So this will be the final answer.